I am going to talk about the multimeter and how you can use it to measure a circuit. The multimeter is a device you can measure current, AC and DC voltage, resistance, frequency and capacitance. And you can measure temperature too with it. There are many sorts of multimeters out in the market, but you can buy the device in a hardware store or you can buy it on the internet. You have pages like eBay, Amazon or Walmart. To start measuring a DC voltage, you need to put the black lead into the common input, the red lead into the volt, ohm, hertz input. Then you need to turn the dial to DC voltage. Then you need to find a battery to measure it. On the battery you need to put the black lead on the minus and the red lead on the plus. To measure a AC voltage, you must have the leads into the same input as on the DC voltage, but you need to turn the dial to AC voltage. Then you need to find a component that you can measure the AC voltage with. And same as before with the battery, the black lead on the minus and the red lead on the plus. To measure a resistance, you need to put the leads into the same input as the DC voltage. Then you need to turn the dial to the ohm symbol. But now you need to find a resistor to measure it. Then the ohms will show up on the screen. To measure current, you need to put the black lead into the common input and the red lead into the 10A input. Now you need to turn the dial to the 10A point. To measure a current, you can measure the cords from a lamp. Then the numbers will show up on the screen of the multimeter. To measure a frequency is not so good on a multimeter, so you need an oscilloscope to get the best result out of it. But if you want to measure the frequency on a multimeter, you need to put the red lead into the ohm, voltage and hertz input and turn the dial to the ohm symbol. Then you can measure a blink lamp. The HAS with working with this tool is that it's best for health and safety, so you don't touch a cord that has voltage inside when you work. It is good for the environment too, because the multimeter does not contaminate so much, only when it's produced in a factory, of course. My experience with this tool is that I use it only on school, when we are measuring voltage, resistance and current. The summary of this video is that the multimeter can be used to measure very much, and that's inside of the HAS program, and that I don't use it very often, only on school when we're measuring voltage, resistance and current.